Hello friends, in this video we will explain how to upscale an image using Canva. Before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe and like button. Let's go. First, click on Create Design, choose Custom Design, and enter the logo size. Click on Upload and choose the image you want to improve its quality. For me, I will choose this image that I uploaded previously. Click on Apps and search for Image Upscaler and choose the same app that I will use. Click on the image and choose the optimization size that suits you. For me, I will choose 8. Click on Replace. Now your image is ready. Click on Share and download it.